Hey guys! So today, we rented a U-Haul van. We went to Harbor Freight and picked up this bad boy. I know it's big, it didn't fit the van, so we need to put it sideways. There were 3 guys that loaded it, but I'm gonna be the only one to unload it right now, so wish me luck. I'm unboxing it inside the van, and we need to move this handle on the other side so we can pull it. We need to pull it out and slide it onto our dolly. We did put some plastic and cartons to avoid damaging it. I just wished it came with 2 handles so it's easier to pull. We were able to pull it out gently. All we need to do now is stand it up. The reason I bought this is I really wanted the toolbox for a long time. And besides its color, we were able to get it at a great price. It was originally $8.99, but we were able to get it for $5.99 last December 23rd, a one-day sale at Harbor Freight. It has some decent quality for its price. I know there are better toolbox, but this one's not for me, especially I'm not working on the car every day. Decent side drawers, maybe enough even for a breaker bar. Drawer locks are okay, but we can put some magnets in the future. We can also put our battery operated stuff here because there is an outlet. We already got some upgrades for it. We bought a magnetic glove holder. Now, we also want some storage for my cleaning supplies. So we bought this service cart. It was originally $129, but we were able to get it for $89. Now, let's start unboxing the tool cart.